In a major move towards transparency, the Karnataka cabinet has decided to set up a special investigation team in SIT to probe the infamous 40% commission allegations against the previous BJP government. This bold decision comes in the wake of the Justice Nagmohan Das Commission report, which raised serious red flags in public works contracts. Law and Parliamentary Affairs Minister H.K. Patil revealed that the SIT will be made up of experts and has been given just 2 months to complete its investigation and submit a report to the state government. And what did the initial findings show? Out of nearly 3 lakh government works, only 1,729 were sampled. Yet even in that small number, alarming irregularities were found. Funds released were higher than sanctioned, no objection certificates issued out of turn, and most concerning tender processes were manipulated. Minister Patil emphasized that the SIT won't just stop at the sampled works, it will dig deeper and uncover the full extent of the alleged scam. The final probe report will then be tabled before the cabinet. Will this finally bring answers and accountability? Karnataka waits and watches.
Today, the report of Nagmohan Das, who went in to the details of the complaints lodged by contractors. It was gone into in detail, and his report is submitted. There are several serious lapses he has found in the report, and we have decided to constitute SIT to further investigate and find the truth.
Hit and run allegations will not do. Even last time when they claimed 40%, we have set up a committee for that. And they can still go ahead and complain to the relevant authorities. And more importantly, both the ministers have suggested if it is proved, they are going to resign. I mean, it is now becoming a habit for anybody who does not get a contract or pay or their bills paid on time. They allege like this. Like, my question is, in the previous government, more than 40-50,000 crores worth of contracts were given. At whose behest were they given? Even when there was no money allocated for such projects, contracts were bid. That time, weren't they aware that this is happening? In the previous government, that time they did not say anything. We are for transparent government. We want to give clean administration, and we are doing everything within our ambit to do so. And if they have any evidence against any of the ministers, the CM is more than happy to investigate, is what both the DCM and the CM have suggested. But this kind of regular blackmailing should not be done.